feel like I'm taking an eye exam.
Okay, go ahead. I'm not taking an eye exam.
Are you ready now?
Yeah, important.
I'm thinking what I was gonna say. All right, everybody, welcome back. Today we're gonna be making an eclair cake. A couple years ago, there was a lady at our church that made one, and Randy really enjoyed it. So we stumbled upon a recipe just watching YouTube the other night, so we're just gonna try it out. All right, so the first thing that we gotta do is prepare the Jell-O mix. I got one of the big boxes, which is 5 ounces, and you just prepare it like the instructions on the back of the box. So you just add 3 cups of cold milk, and then you whisk it for 2 minutes. I guess I should say it's the vanilla. The reason why that's in a pint jar is because we had an extra gallon of milk and I didn't have enough room, so I just put the leftovers in that pint jar. Then we just whisk it for 2 minutes. And I use a fork, I don't like using a whisk. It's kind of boring.
Sure is.
It ain't even been a minute yet.
I would like to say that the lady that made the chocolate eclair cake, was it a cake?
Well, that's what the lady on the YouTube said, so.
Okay, so
The YouTube.
Miss Christie, you know who you are if you watch this. Probably not. Well, they ended up leaving our church because her husband was called to pastor another church, so. That's sticking it up.
Yeah, you can tell.
Let's see.
My hand's getting tired. I guess you could put this in a mixer too. I just didn't want to dirty it up. Okay. 2 minutes by my clock. Now, so I always throw the box away, but I think you're supposed to let it sit for 5 minutes and it'll thicken up a little bit more. So we're going to wait on that.
We just did a tooth check.
Well, we're still.
Something just fell behind.
I'm still eating on my lunch, so. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, so now you would add 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, but I always make our whip topping homemade. So if you don't want to do that, just buy the tub. It'll work. I think this is about 2 cups. I did 1 cup and it just didn't look like enough. But you're gonna fold this in. Not very good at folding. But hang on my nose, did you? Does that look good and incorporated?
Looks pretty good to me. It's like some lumps. What's the lumps?
I don't know.
You supposed to have lumps?
I don't think it's powder or anything.
Oh.
Goodness knows I mixed it enough. Okay, so that's going to be your main filling for it.
Just for the record, she was not confident making this recipe because she literally just got it yesterday.
Yeah.
Or the day before yesterday. Well, I told her to go for it anyway, so we're trying it.
Now how there's water in the pan, but now the person the person that we seen make it, her dish was a lot deeper, but I'm just not going to make my layers as thick. So I'm going to add graham crackers. It's kind of I'm adding. You can't do best choice or anything like that, guys. Should I say best choice? Is that everywhere or just here?
I don't know.
Don't do the knockoff brand. Do the Honey Maid. It's good. That's a good question.
What?
Well, I know Walmart's got great value, but
Great Value, Clover Valley.
that's Dollar Store.
That's Dollar General.
But is the best choice just in our area, or is that surely not?
What's the Piggly Wiggly
I can't
version?
get it open.
What's the Piggly Wiggly version?
Piggly Wiggly, I think. Right?
I don't know.
I don't know.
The Dr. Pepper version is called Mr. Pig.
Yeah. I love it. Okay. I'm sure these are not going to fit perfectly, but we're going to make them work. This side or this side? We're going to go with that side.
I don't think it matters.
No, I don't think I'll do that side because it's more flat. It probably don't matter, but...
Yes, ma'am.
If Miss Christie does see this, she's like, that's not how I did it.
She was the inspiration.
Yeah.
Just leave it at that.
Like, if we're doing it wrong, just don't tell us.
Exactly. Any tips or points? Much appreciated.
Oh, that's cute. Okay. Now, we're going to add the cream mixture, I guess is what you would call it. Pudding mix.
I'm looking at the bottom of the bowl. Like literally looking at the bottom of the bowl.
We're going to add the cream
There we
mixture.
go. Maybe I need to move.
I'm probably going to do... I don't know, I may have some left over because, like I said, she made hers pretty deep.
What was that channel that it come off of? I don't even remember.
Oh, I don't know.
I was very impressed with her audio.
Is it Miss Catherine's Table? Something like that?
It might be.
Okay.
We're taking inspiration from other YouTubers
My
that have like successful channels. Ooh, that ain't.
graham crackers are coming up. It's going to be at the bottom. Nobody's going to be able to tell. Well, they might be able to tell through the
Well, if they
glass.
pick it up, yeah.
Yeah. We're actually taking this to church, so we're going to hope that it's good. We'll have to show you how much is left. Unless there's a lot left, then we're not showing it. Okay. There's that. Let's see how far. Okay. I think we're good. Sorry, I gotta clear my throat 100 times. Ah! This one's broke. Now I'll just open another pack. I'll probably have to have those anyway. Confession, I didn't even know what an Eclair was until she made it, and then she was talking about it being like a, like a donut sort of pastry.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
So like the pudding part's the inside and
The cream filling.
chocolate is like the outside.
Okay.
So they sell them at like Walmart, like the little fingers.
Yeah.
I think the frozen section.
What is y'all's favorite donut? I like just a regular glazed donut.
I like all of them.
I'm not a big chocolate fan, but this is gonna have chocolate on top.
Y'all can tell by looking at me, I haven't missed many meals.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
Is that possible? I guess at the bottom smaller?
Yeah, it gets bigger. It's getting bigger.
Okay. Okay, that don't fit perfectly, but it's like playing Tetris, which I don't play.
Probably played more Tetris than I did.
Probably. When I was a teenager, maybe. Good enough.
And it ain't gotta be perfect.
No. And then we'll come back in with the cream.
Let me move. There we go. So the people can see.
Yeah.
This is for the people.
I might add all of it. I think I can get away with that. I don't ever use the little icing spatula.
Oh, I love them. Little silicone
I need
ones.
to.
It's like so satisfying getting everything out of there.
It's alright, ain't it? The kids will lick that out of the bowl, probably. Looks pretty.
Yellow.
What?
It's yellow.
I thought she said yellow, like saying hello or something.
No, it's yellow.
Is it really yellow? Sure. Maybe. Okay, and then we're gonna add one last layer of graham crackers, and then we gotta make the chocolate topping. Well, you'll have a few graham crackers left, but not many. Okay.
Oh.
That's like OCD right there. I can't do that. There we go. Now, set all this to the side.
Okay.
Because I can throw my garbage away. Okay, so now we're going to make the chocolate topping. I would use this side, but I'm afraid it'll start smoking.
Is that my dog barking?
She is. I don't see nobody. Okay, so we have to add 6 tablespoons of butter.
That's unsalted butter, correct?
Well, I don't know. I always have unsalted, so I guess you could use either. It didn't specify on the recipe. I don't know why I don't buy salted butter. I just like unsalted. That way you can use it if you're baking something.
You'll have to excuse the air conditioner.
Yeah.
There's the rumbling sound in the background. I know it's probably going the whole video, but
I turned my heat on.
We're in the heart of something. I'm sorry.
You're fine. Yeah. Most of the time we try not to turn it on, but no. Got my heat on medium low.
You just gonna melt the butter?
In the middle. Yeah. You don't want it too hot. So once that melts, we'll just wait. And honestly, people can do this in a microwave, but we don't have one.
Normal people do it in a microwave, not us though.
But we don't have a microwave. And I like it like that.
Y'all, we had the most beautiful microwave after we got married. It was candy apple red.
Huh, yeah.
And our kitchen was Coca-Cola themed at the time, so it fit well. I love that microwave.
Gosh.
Chicago Bulls color.
Yeah.
So got rid of it.
So that would have been a lot faster if you have a microwave. But so now we're going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. And can I tell y'all a secret? I don't buy powdered sugar. You know why?
She's selling it.
All you got to do is put your sugar in a blender and blend it for like seconds, and you have powdered sugar. They're getting you guys. Don't buy the powdered sugar if you have sugar. Okay.
Measure out what you need, throw it in a blender.
Yeah, so that's 2 cups worth. And then also need to add 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. I've already measured mine out, but we use the Hershey's cocoa powder. Can't skimp on that either, guys.
We're finicky.
Something like that. And then also 2 to 3/4 tablespoons of milk. It's great value milk. It's Walmart milk.
Ah, look at you with the great value milk.
Now I will.
I'm gonna be turning.
No, I will skimp on milk because I don't taste any difference. Any other people out there drink whole milk? Because we do.
When I was growing up, we had 2%.
Yeah, I think we always had whole milk actually at home. I don't know. Can't remember. Okay. So we're gonna mix this up really, really good. Sorry for the scraping noise. Maybe I need a spoon.
Pause for intermission for spoon.
Is my dog out of the crate?
I don't know. Hold on. And we're back.
We had a dog break out of their crate. It must not have been latched. But anyway, so I've mixed it well now.
You kept mixing while I was gone, didn't you?
I did, because I don't want it to, you know, cool off too much. But I did test with my finger. It's not real hot, so because I was worried about it being hot on top of the pudding, but it's not too bad. So now we're just going to pour this on top of this. Hopefully evenly. I know
There you go.
looking.
You're doing fine. Go ahead.
Oops, I almost went too far. Kind of looks like an eclair, right?
I would know.
I mean, the cream filling, chocolate. Hang on, let me spare y'all that terrible noise.
Started using these lav mics.
I do have one.
Started using these lav mics to try to help the noise. We got a lot of comments on some videos over scraping.
I understand though. But when I'm in the kitchen, I really don't ever think about it. Okay. And then we're gonna gingerly spread this so we don't mess up the graham crackers. It's not beautiful, but some of the edges might be showing.
Man, it looked like it was just barely enough.
Yeah. So maybe a little bit more wouldn't have hurt.
It's like a painting.
I don't know what you would add more of. Butter, maybe? There, that ain't too bad, I don't guess. Kind of bugging me if any of the pudding's poking out. There, I think that'll do.
Oh!
Don't fall. And now, we just gotta let this chill. What time is it? Oh yeah, we got about an hour and a half before we have to be at church, so that'll be good. All right. Perfect.
Okay. We're golden.
All right, so it's been about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. So we're gonna get a little piece out because we are taking this to church. So there's a little piece. Make sure you get the graham cracker too. All right, so let's see what this tastes like. It's pretty good. You wanna try a bite? Get some
Try to
chocolate.
keep you in the shot.
Just don't eat over the thing. Does it taste like what you remember? Probably not, but
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Awesome. Like I said, I'm not a big
A lot
chocolate.
of sugar.
There's a lot of sugar. I'm not a big chocolate. Not a big chocolate fan, so we'll
Trying
see.
to not fall.
It's pretty good though. I think it'll go over well.
I think it'll fly.
Alright. Well, thank y'all for watching. And if y'all try this recipe, just let us know. And we'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Peace.